Pharaoh says he'll listen, then changes his every time time pressure lifts. His pride is really doing the most. Tonight is heavy. We're staying inside. Blood on the doorposts. This isn't fear, it's obedience. Something big is about to happen. It finally happened. We're leaving Egypt. After generations of slavery, we're walking out free. I've never seen joy like this. Plot twist. Pharaoh changed his mind again. We're free, but now we're being chased. Sea ahead, army behind. I'm trusting God with no backup plan. Update. I'm literally walking through the sea on dry ground. Walls of water on both sides. I don't even have words for this. God really did that. Everyone's crossing. Kids, elders, animals, nobody left behind. It just turned into faith in real time.